YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing, and this is for a game which is usually pretty hard to find, and it is Battlestations Midway. I've also got Battlestation Pacific, got this from Amazon as well. So yeah, I know they're really good games, and they're hard to find, and if you find them they're usually pretty expensive, but I got this for a reasonable price off Amazon. So you get front, ship, planes and all that, it's fine, you get it back. This is War, Your War. It's a good game, so let's crack up. I hope you all had a good Christmas, because I did, so yeah. That's that. There we go. Here it is. Fabulous condition. You get a manual, which is in black and white. Shows you all stuff. So yeah. So that's my quick unboxing for Battlestation Midway. For the Xbox 360. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing. As always, remember to comment, thumbs up, and subscription is very appreciated. Thanks for watching.